Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today's project is going to be changing the alternator and the power steering pump. As you can see, the power steering pump went bad and leaked fluid all over the alternator, and now both need to be replaced. So let's get this started.
First, we're going to have to remove the belt, but before we do that, we're going to draw a little diagram to make sure we know how to put it on exactly the way it came off. Alright, at this point you're going to want to loosen the tensioner so you can remove the belt off the pulley. Alright, so we have the power steering pump removed. Now it's time to start removing the alternator. Once you loosen it up, before you can remove it, you're gonna have to unplug this piece over here. Of course, you're gonna have to unclip these clips, but this one actually has to be unbolted off. So before you can actually move the alternator. Alright, we got the alternator out and the power steering out. Here's the new unit. It's going to slide right in there and bolt right up, and then we can put the power steering back in. Alright, we got the new alternator bolted back in and plugged right in. Now it's time for the power steering pump and then the serpentine belt. Alright, now that both power steering pump and alternator are on, it's time to get the belt back on and finish this thing up. Alright, we got the belt back on, new pump, new alternator, everything hooked back up. We just gotta put some power steering fluid and it's all done.